Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be making a video tutorial about making a simple ATtiny85 circuit and 3D LEDs, active low, red, green, and blue, and one WS2812B LED on the schematic editor. Now, the first thing to do is open KiChat, click File, New Project. I will type ATtiny85. Click Save. Click Schematic Editor. Then click Symbol. Click this. Click OK. Add another one. Click OK. Now press S to rotate. Next is to add SPI. Now, why is SPI? Well, SPI is stand for Serial Peripheral Interface. Is a communication interface used for send data between multiple devices. Now, to add SPI, click this. Then type MISO. Click OK. Press S. Then another one. Type SC key. Add another one. Type reset. Rotate. Add another one. Type GND. Add another one. Then type MOC. Then OK. Now for this, GND. For this, type SXT. Then TXT. And lastly, VCC. Next, I'm gonna add, click symbol, and search ATtiny85. Click this. There are three. Don't mistake it. There's M, P, and S. Select this. Then OK. Then add LED. Click again. Press OK. Press Ctrl C. Then V. I'm gonna collection. It's done. Next is to add a system. Click symbol. Click this. Click OK. Rotate the C, the V is done. Now I'm gonna need collection again. It's done. Next is to add WS2812B. Click symbol. Type WS2812B. Click this. Click OK. I will put in right here. Next is to add capacitor. Click again. Click this. Click OK. Now it's all done. Next, I'm gonna add SPI that I already put to these pins. So what I'm gonna do is click this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and hit. Press F to rotate. Next, PCC, the C, the V, rotate in the hit. Next, click more C, the C, V, rotate in hit. Do as measure in the hill too. The C, V, rotate. SC key. TXT. LXT. And lastly, reset. Now, ATtiny85 pin is done. Next, for capacitor, resistor, click VCC, then C, then V, rotate in here. This one too. Now, these are done. Now, there are some collection. This. I'm gonna rename blue. Click OK. This one is for green. And lastly, this for red. Now, this of this thing done. Now for this. Now click PCC, the C, the feet rotate in here. Then click missile. Just see the feet in here. Next for Gindi, click this to see the feet. Now all pages are done. Now there are exceptions. This no longer needed. So what I'm gonna do, press Q and it's done. Now there are I need some correction because I really forgot. My apologies is that this pin and some symbol is not added yet. So what I'm gonna do is click more C, just see V, rotate on here. Now for SCE, just see V, rotate on here. Now this is for more C. Now this is done. Now I got this somewhere else, like here. Then add symbol. Let's say start. Click OK. Now it's done. Next, I'm gonna add a wire. Now before that, I'm gonna make sure our SPI and symbols is connected. So what I'm gonna do is like this. Now all this is connected because it's green wire. Same thing here. Now our SPR and symbol is connected. Now I'm gonna add a wire. Click this, then click this, then click in here. Click in here too, then click here. Okay, that's all. There's some correction. Sorry, I made a license mistake because I really forgot. But that's okay because everything is done. The ATtiny85 circuit is done. The LED is done. The WS2812B is done. Okay, that's all for making the video. Thank you for watching my video. And I see you around. Bye.